Well, what I got to do today is on my Coleman 550 here. You got one of these rubber hinges that broke. Had this happen before. The bottom one's still intact. Before that one goes, I want to take this off. So take our trusty Phillips screwdriver and remove that bad boy. And last time one of these broke on me, oops, there it goes. What I did was I bought a couple extra, so I got one in a glove box here. And so what you want to do is you look in there, there's a post in there. See it? That's where this elongated part sticks onto. So what you gotta do is work it in there and hook it on there. And then once you get that, you just need to replace the screw and you're good to go. Easy as that.